Welcome to 5 Minute Crafts Fun Videos, another brand new video. And happy Eid Mubarak to all of my lovely viewers, subscribers to from 5 Minute Crafts Fun Videos channels. In this Eid season, we have to gift our relatives to a little gift. So today we'll make a fan. We can keep the fan to our relatives to gift them. They will be very happy because it's summer season. So you can understand what the situation is. For making fan, we need some coloring papers in different shapes, then ice cream colors, then paper glue, scissors, sand pen, black color. So first we will fold the paper in this shape. If you listen the outside noise, so I'm so sorry for that because nowadays I have visited to village. So in the village you can see what the situation is. Very happy moment in Eid. Okay, so I have folded the paper. You can see how I have folded the every steps because for making a fan, folded is the best step for making your fan very beautiful. Okay, now we will fold the paper very thinly until it became the last. Okay, our folding steps is completed. Now I'll fold another paper just like this. So I have folded two papers, you can see them. Then I'll fold the paper like a clip design. You can see it's Barbie design like this. So now I'll fold the paper in this shape also. Okay, my folding is completed. Now I will stick the paper, green paper with the Fevicol glue just like this. And I'll say another news. It's a bad news. My channel name is 5 Minute Crafts Bamboo Video. Means I have a pet bird which name is Dio. He was so cute and he also loves me. But what to do? Unfortunately, 8 May, month 5, 2020, he is dead. So everyone please pray for him. I'm so sad. I was thinking that the Eid will be very happy to me, but okay, that's please everyone pray for my Dio. And my many subscriber likes Dio very much because some videos are made by Dio, means which videos actor is Dio, so he'll not any videos actor. So everyone please pray for Dio and happy Eid Mubarak to all my viewers, subscriber, and see how I make the fan. Okay, now we'll stick the paper just like this in another cases. Okay, now I'll draw some little black dots because it's the fan shape is like a watermelon, and in watermelon there are some black dots. Okay, I have brown. Then I will fold the paper if you like my video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And my all new subscriber and viewers who doesn't know Dio, go to my channel and look some videos. There are some videos in Dio. Looks like, give the video like, comment and share, and stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, our watermelon fan is already ready, but now it's not properly. You can give the watermelon fan to your relatives in Eid. They will be more happy because nowadays it's summer season in so much country. So I think that your relatives will be very happy and it's too so nice, and you can also make it to eat for you, because when we goes to eat, we feel so hot and etc. Okay, this looks so nice, beautiful. Okay, then we'll pour some glue and take the ice cream stacks. Just like this. This step is very carefully to see, because first time when I have made the pan, I have mistake this step and my fan was just like a, what is this, a fan? So you have to see that carefully. Wow, my fan is ready. When you see the, it looks like it doesn't have glue, so you have to glue it and then pour it for some times and open it, and you'll get a very so cute fans. So if we give the fans, we need a little gift paper, but it is a fan, so we'll make just like this type of thin paper, then we'll roll it and glue it just like this, and in the cake paper we'll write the name whose you can give the fan and give it, and comment to me how is your relatives like your fan or you. Okay, you can see now. I will glue it in here. Yay, my fan is completed to me. So last time, if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell and stay with 5-minute or small videos. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.